Unraveling the Sale Season, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English easy and fun for everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase you'll often hear in shopping contexts: sale season. This phrase is not just about discounts, but it reflects a significant part of English-speaking cultures. Let's unravel this together. Sale season refers to specific times of the year when stores offer significant discounts on their products. This is different from occasional sales because a season implies a recurring period. Typically, these seasons are tied to major holidays or events, such as Christmas or the end of a season, like summer or winter. Understanding sale season is crucial for two reasons. First, it's a practical matter. It's the best time to shop for bargains. But more importantly, it reflects cultural and economic practices in English-speaking countries. Knowing about these seasons helps you understand consumer habits and marketing strategies in these cultures. Let's look at some examples. Black Friday, originating in the United States. This is perhaps the most famous sale season, occurring on the Friday after Thanksgiving. Boxing Day sales. In countries like the UK and Canada, the day after Christmas marks another significant sale period. End of financial year sales. In Australia, the end of the fiscal year, June 30th, brings many discounts. Now, let's practice using sale season in sentences. I'm waiting for the sale season to buy a new laptop. Retailers often stock new products just before the sale season. And that's a wrap on sale season. Remember, this phrase is more than just about shopping. It's a window into the culture and economy of English-speaking countries. We hope this video has been informative and engaging. Keep practicing, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more videos like this. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.